Good morning, traders. This is Coach Alex, freedomtradingclub.com. Waiting for the open in about 13, 14 minutes. Market's slightly weak again today. We've taken one long trade, a short trade, and now we're just looking for this range. We have a little support at 440. For a continuation down, we would have to break 33, 440. And we would expect target of about 33,400. So let's just watch. It's Friday. We've had a good week. Like to keep our green. We should open up in 11 minutes. So what we want to do is stand aside and let the market tell us what it's going to do on the open. 6 minutes is our usually our time limit. Gives us a good idea what's going on. As I said, we our range this morning is 160 points, and that would, in other words, if we look at the upside, which was 430 this morning, the upside was 33,561. That would give us a 160 point target on the downside of 33,400. The trend is down, but as you know, there are counter trend trades available. Good job, Bill. That's good trade management. So we'd like to see whether you trade counter trend or with the trend, you always want to protect yourself. We're watching this again at around 83. Here is a 50% retracement. And we open up in 8 minutes. So let's have another good day and close the week out with good green, guys. Again, on this little ledge here, for the market to continue on the downside, we have to break this 440, 33,440. Just take what the market gives you, guys. Take what the market gives you. The only one who knows where it's going this morning is Mr. Market. Yeah, and that's why it's good to have a plan. It is good to have a good plan and don't let yourself get hit in the face, like Mike Tyson talked about. Everybody ready to have a good day or a good half day? We'd like to be done by 10:30. If you can be done by 10:30, that's a great goal to have, guys. And you only need one or two good trades. You only need one or two good trades to be done by 10:30. So far, we've had one. We had a nice short, and we still want to trade with the trend, obviously. And we've got 4.5 minutes left to go. Yeah, here's the plan, guys. Let me counter trends both ways, Bill. And for us to continue down, we have to break 440. Okay. And the target for the downside, right, was 400, right? In other words, 160 points from the high. 160 points from the high, put us down at 400 down here. So let's just keep an eye on things. The idea is not to trade for 6 minutes and then we get a picture of what the market's going to do, okay? Remember it? So that's the plan, right? Wait 6 minutes. 2 minutes until the open. One minute until the open. I'm jockeying for position, right?
Coach, look at that, 1,000 at 467.
Wow.
Oh, they pulled. They were just joking. Sorry.
Okay, we are open for business. Let's have a great trading day, guys. Please, let's have a great trading day. Markets always jockey for position right off the open. It's wild, wild open. Now, if it breaks 440, then all the buyers are in trouble, right? 3 minutes of trading so far. Now, if it breaks 460, you'd be bearish, right? There's your 460. So now you got a new reference point, right? Right. Remember, we have 160 in the volatility, right? 160 in the volatility. And we got another 2 minutes to find out what's on the market's mind, right? What's on Mr. Market's mind? 2 more minutes. Went up 160 points from the low. Isn't that amazing? How many people figure that would happen? Oh, tell me why not? Why not 6 minutes? You know what? Here's what you do: take about a decade and keep track. See which is a good time frame. Keep careful records and then make a decision. Actually, the study was we studied that for about 10 years. But I mean, 10 is good too. 10 is good too. What do you prefer? What's your favorite? How long do you prefer to wait? Exactly. A little momentum is up right now. 15 is turned up. Yeah. Just watch. If it breaks 460, we'll be going down again. You know how this works, guys. It goes up, tests a level, and then becomes overbought, and then it'll start going lower. Just watch this support level here, guys. The bulls don't want to see that break. The bulls do not want to see that break. Be patient. All kinds of cross currents, you know. Congress votes, Jim Jordan, inflation, hawkish comments yesterday by Powell. That was no fun, you know. Hey, if we break 460, I'm going short. Yep. Otherwise, you guys who are scalping from the long side, I would take profits. Everybody's green, right? Everybody's green so far. Is everybody green? All right. Stay that way. If you're not green, yeah, all right. Then if you didn't do anything, yep, be patient. Good job. Not red either. Okay, excellent. We're two for two this morning, and right now sitting on our hands, waiting for the market to make a move. Mr. Market. What's on your mind, Mr. Market? Really choppy, that's for sure. Ticks is still ticks is still tape is still slightly positive. Tape is still slightly positive. Market looks a little tired here, but nothing, it's snaking, it's coiling. Yeah, good job, Shifu. Market is coiling. 35 bid at 499. So maybe if it starts getting below 490, 480, then we'll see our 460 hit. It's got to start dropping below this level here. Ready to go? So far, undecided. 6 minutes are up, but the market hasn't done anything. Wavering around unchanged. That's what it's doing. Tempted to go short. Tempted to go short here. Tempted. I'm tempted. Tape looks weak. Tempted. Who succumbed to the temptation? Anyone? Who succumbed? Still has to break 490. Then maybe it'll break 460. Oh, Dan, yeah, it looks slower now. The market's being good to us now. I am short. I am short. Didn't have to wait for 460. Market made up my mind. It's a good call, Dan. Yeah, Grandma was selling at 540. Coco. See where the shaded area is? 544. And they're looking to buy down here. Our next support level is 440. Next support is 33, 440. It'll be your next target on the downside. I will draw it. Yeah, yeah. We got to get a bigger. You got to get a bigger monitor and a bigger wallet. We're gonna need a bigger bank account. Hey guys, it was great. Um, Great patience. It would have been so easy to go short down at down here. And remember, we had a 160-point move from the upside. Does everybody remember? What was the low? It's amazing how we trade this, right? What was the low? 33,404, right? So the upside, you add 160, and what do you get? 564, right? Well, let's take a look. Didn't quite get there, did it? Pretty close though, right? Still gives you a good area to short around, right? And then what happens? So, what happens if you don't get, what happens if you had a limit order at 564 and didn't get filled? Well, then you wait for it to break like here. You could go short right under there. You could have gone short there. Either way. Now you could short a scale up into that area while the trend is still down. You try this one right here. 496 short. Now your target is 440. Short again. Take one off. Your next target is 456 and then 440, okay? Take one off, then 456, then 440, okay? Anybody short? There's your fourth. I can't even type it out fast enough. Everybody got it? Who got that trade? Who got that trade? Beautiful, beautiful. There's your final target right there. Got in late. Yeah. Well, you only make 40 points. What the heck? Okay, one more target to hit. One more target to hit. Order filled. Order filled. How do you like that? How do you like that? You should stop. Yes. Good job, AJ. You see, you guys. Now, what was the key to all of this trading? Waiting at least 6 minutes. Yeah. Now, AJ, you're probably right. You should have waited 10 minutes, right? It doesn't matter. The 6 minutes saved you from shorting the open. The 6 minutes saved you from shorting the open. I am done for the morning. All you YouTubers who are watching this amazing stuff, we do it every day. Where do we get these targets and all that? Well, join us and find out. But part of it is being patient. We know what I think. Bill G said. Bill N said they're going to push it up on the open, right? Who said that? Maybe 160, maybe 140 points. Who knows? Who expected? Come on, you guys did. Bill W did. Said you'd push it up on the open, right? Who expected it? A couple of you scalped long trades, and that's good. But the trend is down. So we were waiting for the market to sort of exhaust itself and then start back down.
Coach, I need to point something out.
Mm-hmm.
You told us a 440 target, and you missed it by 3 points. I think it went to 437.
I know. I was hoping no one would notice.
So could you tighten that up a little bit? Because 3 ticks,
Yeah.
I need you to tighten that up a little. Nice
Yeah,
job,
but
Coach.
I also said 400, so you could say I'm 37 points off if you really want to be nasty.
Oh,
Because
there
remember,
you go.
remember the morning target was 400, and then what, guys? 369. So, man, you could say I'm way off. But no, again, The markets don't go straight out, straight down. Thank you, Shifu. Shifu can now go back to sleep. Shifu's in Hawaii. Um, you have no idea how. That's very nice. Wow. That you have no idea, guys, how patience is really the key. Anybody can tell you what a moving average is doing. Anybody can tell you, if the market's going up or down, right? But what they can't do is tell you to what extreme it's going to do. That's where time is so important. All right, cool. All right, all you people on YouTube will say the same thing. How much fun is it to watch us make all this money? But more important, how much better would it be if you're making the money with us? So sign up, get involved, take a 3 day free trial, okay? 3 day free trial, and then sign up for at least a month. See if you can improve your trading 100%. If you can't, don't stay with us. All right. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you Monday.